What's up, guys, and welcome to One Way Ticket. This is a short horror game. Actually, it's a two-part game. This is episode 1. So, yeah. Closing time. Take out the trash. Alright, we gotta take the trash out. Where... Is this the trash over here? I mean, there's a trash, like, bin, but... Wait, what's this? Oh, okay. Got some trash. Let's just toss that in there. Ah, another one. Grab some more trash. Toss it in there. Bam. And one more. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? What? What? No. No, no. No, 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 that's not okay. That's not okay. That's not okay with me. Okay, whatever. We're fine. It's good. We're good. Where's the safe? Where's the safe? I'm not seeing a safe. Is this a safe? Yeah. This ambience is nuts. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Not one bit. Holy shit! What's up, dude? You can't scare me like that, man. You could give me a heart attack. I'm just gonna go back here, okay? You stay there, Mr. Chicken. Ugh. Hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it. Fill the mop bucket and mop the kitchen. How do I fill it? Where do I get the water? Where'd Mr. Chicken go? Where do I get the water? Okay, we got water. Alright, now we mop. Where's the mop? Oh wait, there was a noise in the basement. Chicken? Mr. Chicken? Go, 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 go. Oh god. Oh god. That's not good. We got the true end. So I'm assuming there's multiple endings. That's cool. That was awesome. Yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.